Hey there, fellow creatives. Are you tired of feeling like your creativity is stuck in a rut? Do you want to explore new tools that can help you unleash your imagination and bring your ideas to life? Look no further. In this ultimate guide, we'll dive into the latest and greatest creative tools that will elevate your skills and inspire you to think outside the box. Whether you're an artist, a designer, a writer, a free and open source generative AI extension developed by Adobe, Firefly offers a suite of tools that enable users to generate realistic images, expand existing artwork, and remove objects from photos. With its easy-to-use interface, Firefly allows users to select from a library of templates and customize their creations with ease. A free online tool that allows users to create mock-ups of their designs on realistic device templates. With its vast collection of devices and customization options. A web-based design and prototyping tool that allows users to create high-fidelity presentations and other visual content. With its drag-and-drop interface, users can easily create professional-looking designs without any design experience. A platform that allows users to create professional-looking videos with ease. And the tools we've covered today are just a few examples of what's available to help you unleash your creativity. From AI-powered image generators to user-friendly design platforms, there's a tool for everyone. So don't be afraid to experiment. Try new things and push your creative boundaries. We hope this ultimate guide has inspired you to explore the latest and greatest creative tools, and we encourage you to stay curious and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, please like and share for more informative content. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching and happy creating. With Visco, users can choose from a wide range of templates and customize them with their own text, images, and videos. The platform offers a variety of tools to help users create engaging and dynamic videos, including the ability to add music, sound effects, and voice. Visco is an excellent tool for creating promotional videos for businesses or social media content for individuals. With its user-friendly interface and vast library of templates and assets, Visco makes it easy to create high-quality videos without the need for expensive equipment or editing skills. Whether you're a marketing professional, social media influencer, or student, Visco provides the tools and resources to help you create stunning videos that bring your vision to life. Canvas offers a wide range of templates for various design needs, including social media posts, presentations, and website landing pages. Its vast library of design elements, icons, and graphics allows users to customize their designs to match their brand or personal style. Canvas is a versatile tool that can be used for various creative projects, making it an excellent resource for individuals and teams alike. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or student, Canvas provides the tools and resources to bring your creative vision to life. Light Cafe is an essential tool for designers, photographers, and anyone looking to showcase their work in a professional manner. A browser-based photo editing tool that offers a wide range of filters, effects, and editing tools to enhance your images. With Pixlr, you can easily improve the quality of your photos, apply creative filters, and make adjustments to colors, brightness, and more. Its user-friendly interface makes it a great option for beginners with no photo editing experience. Pixlr offers a variety of templates and automatic filters that allow you to quickly transform your images. Additionally, Pixlr's mobile app is available on iOS and Android, allowing you to edit your photos on the go. Whether you're a blogger, social media manager, or hobbyist photographer, Pixlr provides the tools you need to take your images to the next level. Users can choose from a variety of device types, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and wearables, and customize the device's color, size, and position to fit their design. Light Cafe is an excellent tool for creating high quality, allowing users to focus on their creative work rather than technical aspects of design. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive device library, Light Cafe is a valuable resource for any creative professional. The tool's generative fill feature enables users to seamlessly extend an image beyond its frame while maintaining the original quality and resolution. Additionally, Firefly's in-painting feature allows users to remove unwanted objects from their images with just a few clicks. Whether you're a graphic designer, illustrator, or photographer, Adobe Firefly provides a powerful set of tools to enhance your creative workflow and bring your artistic vision to life. Or simply someone who loves to express themselves creatively, an AI tool designed to simplify the process of creating videos. With Wonder, users can generate videos from text prompts, making it an ideal tool for those who want to create engaging content without the need for expensive equipment or editing skills. The tool's advanced AI technology allows users to input text prompts and choose from a variety of templates to generate unique and visually appealing videos. Wonder also offers customization options such as adding your own images or videos to the generated content. It's a versatile tool that can be used for various purposes, including social media marketing, educational content creation, and entertainment. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI capabilities, Wonder is an excellent resource for anyone looking to create professional-looking videos with ease. These tools will help you take your work to the next level. So get ready to be amazed and let your creativity soar. A popular AI-powered platform that allows users to generate images from text descriptions. With Midjourney, users can create stunning visuals that blend reality with fantasy, opening up new possibilities for artistic expression. The platform's advanced algorithms and large database of images enable it to produce high-quality images that meet the specific requirements of users' prompts. Midjourney has gained significant traction within the creative community due to its user-friendly interface and impressive image generation capabilities. Whether you're a professional designer or an amateur artist, Midjourney provides a unique opportunity to explore new creative horizons and bring your imagination to life. Crayon. The first tool we'll discuss is Crayon, a cutting-edge AI tool that can help you generate stunning images from text prompts. With its advanced algorithms and large language models, Crayon can interpret your ideas and create visuals that bring your imagination to life. Whether you need illustrations for a story you're writing, concept art for a design project, or just want to explore different artistic styles, Crayon has got you covered. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to use, even for beginners with no design experience. You can choose from a variety of templates, customize your prompts, and generate multiple images. Until you find the perfect one that matches your vision, Crayon is the ultimate tool for any creative looking to push their boundaries and explore new possibilities in visual art. The next tool on our list is Jasper, a versatile AI-powered platform that can assist you in various creative tasks such as writing, designing, and marketing. With Jasper, you can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity by leveraging AI technology. One of the standout features of Jasper is its AI writer, which can generate high-quality content on a wide range of topics based on your input. This tool can help you overcome writer's block, save time and research hours spent on drafting content. In addition to writing assistance, Jasper also offers design tools such as a heat mapper that analyzes your target audience and suggests the best colors and visuals for your brand. It also includes an image generator similar to DALL-E 2, allowing you to create eye-catching visuals for your projects. Jasper is an all-in-one platform that caters to the needs of bloggers, marketers, and anyone looking to leverage the power of AI for creative purposes. Adobe Firefly. Next up is Adobe Firefly. Wonder. The next tool we'll explore is Wonder. Midjourney. The next tool we'll discuss is Midjourney. Light Cafe. The next tool on our list is Light Cafe. Canvas. The next tool we'll cover is Canvas Pixlr. The next tool on our list is Pixlr Visco. The next tool we'll explore is Visco. In conclusion, the world of creative tools is constantly evolving and improving.